Hello everyone, you are with Math Magician. In my previous video, I have explained the theory on applications of derivatives and all that is used today. It is put in use in the most simplest form because the questions are directly on that topics. For an example, let's take the CET paper of 2019 and we will categorize it to application of differentiation. The first question from 2019 is here. The side of an equilateral triangle. So let's take an equilateral triangle. So this is a equilateral triangle, and side of this equilateral triangle they are considering, let's consider it as x, and it is increasing at the rate. So increasing means there is change of x with respect to t. So the change of side with respect to second is 4 centimeter per second. The rate at which the area is increasing when the side is 14. So what they are asking is the change of area with respect to time when side x is 14 centimeter is their question. To do this, we should know the area of the equilateral triangle. The area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into x square, where x is the side. So if at all I have to differentiate with respect to t, I have to consider x as t and differentiate. So when I do the differentiation, root 3 by 4 is constant, is kept like that only, and 2 into x, and whatever we consider as x should be differentiated with respect to t. So dx by dt I have to multiply here. And with this, I know the values here. I know the value of x as 14 and I know the value of dy by dx as 4. So what happens here is root 3 by 4 into 2 into 14 into 4. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 14 2s are 28. 28 root 3 is my final answer. So it's a very simple problem on application of differentiation. First question of 2019. So this is 28 root 3 is your right answer. The second question of 2019 is here, and it is on increasing and decreasing function. The interval in which the function, they have given the function as f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 10 is the equation here, is increasing in which of the options? Are you getting it? And this equation is increasing in which of the option? Now how to do this is a very simple technique. First of all, you need to find the differentiation of this. And how to find the differentiation? You all know it is 3x square minus 12x plus 9. So for this to be increasing function, it has to be greater than or equal to 0. So this has to be greater than or equal to 0. I said strictly increasing means only greater than. Increasing means it can be parallel to x-axis. X value can be parallel to x-axis means the slope can be 0. Hope you remember my theory. And in my theory I have clearly said strictly increasing is greater than 0. It can't be parallel to x-axis. And increasing means there are some places it is allowed to be equal to 0. Slope can be 0 in increasing function. So what happens here? I will take 3 common out. When I take 3 common out, it is x square minus 4x and this will become plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So I can write this as x minus 1 into x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0 by the quadratic equation is simplified. What you have to understand is any value between 1 and 3 is making this negative. Put 2 here. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. It will be negative. So I can't take the value from between 1 to 3. I can put 3. 0 is allowed. So anything between 1 and 3 should not be allowed. Anything smaller than or equal to minus 1 is allowed. And anything greater than or equal to 3 is allowed. So it is going up to plus infinity and going up to minus infinity here. So these are the values x can take. X can take these values with this condition as greater than 0. So which option satisfies this? is this is plus 1 here, minus 1 will become plus 1 and 3 will be. Which option satisfies this? Option C. Option C is your right answer. Any value between 1 and 3 can't be used here. Okay. So hope you have understood this problem. If at all you want the steps between this, please go through the first year quadratic equation and you will get the answer there. The next question is on approximation. So here we need to find the approximation of root of 24.99. So actually you need to find the nearest value for this, which will give the actual answer, that is root 25. Okay, that is value is 5. Everybody knows this. So what I can write this as root of 25 minus 0.01. So what is my formula here? My formula is f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. So we can directly find this value. There is no issue for us to find these values because it is very simple. So I will take the values. The x value I will take it as 25 and delta x is minus 0.01 is equal to f of x value is root 25 and f dash of x is differentiation of differentiation of root x. Root x ka differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So I will take the value directly here, 1 by 2 root x into delta x. Delta x is minus 0.01. So what happens here is, this is 5 plus 1 by 10 into minus 0.01. So it is 5 minus, so 1 decimal point will move one more, so it is 0.001. So answer is 4.99. So 4.99 and one more 9 will come, there are 3 things. So 4.999 is in option D. So option D is your right and correct answer. So here is the first question on 2018 paper, and here please go through the question. The maximum area of the rectangle inscribed in a circle. So there is a circle and they have given the equation of circle as x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 64. Now you have to understand one thing very clearly here. This is nothing but r square. So what is r square? 64. So what is r value for me? 8. R value is 8. Now you should know a shortcut here. So the shortcut goes very simple. Imagine there is a circle with center and there is radius r. Then the biggest rectangle what I can inscribe inside this is with maximum area. With max area. So this is nothing but this area will be how much, the area will be 2r square. Okay, so the maximum area is 2r square. So we know the value of r here. What is the value of r? The value of r is 8. So directly I can take that as 2 into 8 square. So 8 is a 64. So 64 into 2 is 128 and centimeter squares, I suppose. So 128 square units is option C. So option C is your right answer, and this is the first question from 2018. The second question is from approximation. The approximate change in the volume. So they are asking the approximate change of the volume of the cube. So what is volume of the cube? Is x cube. V is equal to x cube. Of the side x meters. So they are saying the side of cube is equal to x. The side of the cube is equal to x meter. Caused by the increase of side by 3%. So they are saying the change of x. So change in side is increase in side. Increase in x by 3%. So that is nothing but 0.03. 3% is 0.03 of what? Of x is my delta x. Okay. So what's going to happen now is I will be doing the approximation. So it will become 3x square into delta x. So 3x square, and what is delta x here? 0.03 into x. So it is x square, 0.03 into 3 is 0.09, and this will become x cube, and this is in meters, I suppose. Yeah, so there will be meter cube coming there. So we can see the options. Option A looks like the perfect and right answer here. So option A is your right answer, a simple problem from 2018 paper. The third and final question on 2018 is on maxima and minima. So they are asking, find the maximum value of f of x is equal to 1 by x to the power of x. Now you need to understand, this is a variable to the power of variable. Please go through my video on differentiation. I have said when a variable gets a variable, we need to use logarithm method. So when I put log on both sides, it will be log y is equal to, so it will be x log 1 by x. So when I do the differentiation, it will be 1 by y dash is equal to, when I do the cross multiplication, it will be x into 1 divided by 1 by x into minus 1 x to the power of minus 2 plus, so you can directly cancel off this and this. This will be x square and 1 by x square, it will get cancelled off. What remains here is log of 1 by x, and differentiation of x is 1. So what I can write this as, y dash is equal to, y will be coming this side and it will be log 1 by x, and minus 1 goes that side. So this is it. So you remember, to find the maximum value, we need to equate this y dash is equal to 0. So let's equate this to 0. So when you equate this to 0, what happens? When you equate this to 0, y goes this side and it will become 0. So what remains is log 1 by x is equal to 1. So since log is there and no base, I will have to take base e. So it is 1 by x is equal to e to the power of 1, that is e. So what is x value? So x, I can write it as 1 by e. Once I get the value of x, I have to substitute in the f of x. I have to substitute here. Hope you remember, it is maximum value, not increasing, decreasing. So not about the y dash, not about the slope, about the value here. So what comes here is y is equal to f of x is equal to f of 1 by e. I have to take f of 1 by e. What is f of 1 by e? F of 1 by e is 1 by e to the power of, again 1 by e comes here, 1 by e, because wherever there is x, I have to put 1 by e there. So this goes to numerator, it is e to the power of 1 by e is the maximum value. So if you look at the option B stands out as the right answer. So here is the first question from 2017 paper. So the point on the curve, so I need to find the point on the curve. So point on the curve, I can call x comma y. This is, I have to find this point. From what? From the curve. What is the curve? Curve is y square is equal to x is the curve. So where the tangent makes the angle pi by 4. Hope you remember, I was talking about this. If the tan theta is nothing but the slope dy by dx, that is y dash. So this theta is nothing but the angle made by tangent. Hope you remember, I was talking about this in my previous video while I was doing theory. So here they are giving the value of theta as pi by 4. So it is tan pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? That is 1. So y dash is 1. So dy by dx is 1. So what I'm going to do right now is do the differentiation of this. When I do the differentiation, it is 2y, y dash is equal to 1. And they have given y dash value as 1. They have given in the question itself the y dash value is 1. So I will take 2y is equal to 1. Y dash value is 1. So y value is 1 by 2. Once I got the y value, here y value is 1 by 2. Once I got the y value, it is time to find the x value. How to find the x value? Take y square is equal to x. Okay? Take y square is equal to x. Y value is 1 by 2 whole square is equal to x. So x is equal to 1 by 4. So I will be putting x value as 1 by 4. So directly you can get the answer like this. So when you look at the option B is your right answer. Option B is your right answer. 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2 is the right answer here. The second question from 2017 is here on increasing and decreasing function, but carefully watch the question. It is strictly increasing they are asking. So what is the question? They have given the question as f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 5 is your function. So you have to find the strictly increasing interval. So what you have to do is find the differentiation of it. The differentiation of this is 2x plus 2. And this must be greater than 0. Watch carefully here. It can't be greater than or equal to. It must be greater than because they have given strictly increasing. So it must be greater than there. So what happens now is I will take 2 common out. So it will become x plus 1 greater than 0. 2 goes there, becomes 0. So x is greater than minus 1. So how do you write x is greater than minus 1? There is not greater than or equal to. So it is minus 1 to plus infinity is in the option plus 1 to minus infinity. Plus 1 to minus 1 to plus infinity is in option A there. Option A is your right answer. Anything greater than minus 1 satisfies the slope of this equation as positive curve. So that is our right answer. The next question. Please go through the question. The rate of change of volume of the sphere. So what is the formula for volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula of volume of the cube. With respect to the surface area. What is surface area ka formula? 4 pi r square. So they are asking the rate of change of volume of the sphere with respect to surface area. So rate of change of volume of the sphere with respect to surface area is their question with when the radius when r is 4 centimeter. So this is a question. First I have to find dv by dr, ds by dr, divide them and substitute the r value. So what is dv by dr and what is ds by dr? So let's try and solve this differentiation. Very simple differentiation here. So it will be 4 by 3 pi 3r square. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So what is this here? So it is 4 pi 2r. Okay. So finally what I get here is 4 pi r square and here it is 8 pi r. So when I divide these two here, that is dv by dr divided by ds by dr. The dr gets cancelled, dv by ds is remaining. So what happens here is 4 pi r square divided by 8 pi r. So pi and pi gets cancelled, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, and r and square gets cancelled. So it is r by 2. So what is r value? 4. So it is 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 is 2. So you can go through the option there. Option B, that is 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square. Because centimeter cube is volume, centimeter square is surface area. So 2 centimeter cube by centimeter square is our right answer. So option B is the right answer for this problem. So this is the first question from 2016 paper. The previous question and this question is absolutely same, but the appearance is different. You will get to know how it is same. So look here, they are asking for the slope of the tangent. So what is slope of the tangent? On the given data, slope of the tangent is dy by dx. What I have to find? Dy by dx. What is given? The slope of the tangent at a point is given. So what is a point? Point is x comma y. X comma y. That point is 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1 is the point to the curve. So they have given two curves there, x value and y value. So what is x value here? X value is t square plus 3t minus 8. And what is y? Y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5. So it goes very simple. Now when I substitute the values, it will become very simple and easy. When I substitute the x value here, it will be 2 is equal to t square plus 3t minus 8. So this will be nothing but t square plus 3t plus 10 is equal to 0. So I can write this as t plus 5 into t minus 2 is equal to 0. So either t is minus 5 or t is plus 2. On the other side, y value is minus 1 is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 is there. So it is 2t square minus 2t minus 1 goes this side, it will become minus 4 is equal to 0. On simplification, this will become t minus 2 and t plus 1 is equal to 0. So either t is equal to plus 2 or t is equal to minus 1 here. So by this and that, what is t value? T value is 2. T value is simply 2. So I have to find this at t value 2. So let's do the differentiation of the given thing. What is the differentiation of this? What is y dash? Let's do y dash here of this. The y dash is 2 to the 4t minus 2 is y dash. What is x dash here of this? What is x dash? It is 2t plus 3. So let's substitute here. So 4t minus 2 divided by 2t plus 3. So when I substitute the value 2 there, it is 4 to the 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. And this is t. So 2 to the 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 6 by 7 is our answer. Option C. Option C is the right answer there. A very simple problem. The same procedure what we did in the previous problem. Slightly different concept. But the pattern we solve is absolutely same. So this is the first question from 2016 paper. So here is your next question. The rate of change of area of a circle with respect to the radius. So what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. I have done this kind of problem in the first question itself in the theory. So what is dA by, they are asking the area of circle with respect to its radius. So directly dr, dA by dr is pi to r or 2 pi r. At r value is equal to 2. So I have to put r value is equal to 2. So when I put r value 2, it is 4 pi. So 4 pi is option D. Option D is your right answer here. This problem is a repetitive problem. This problem I have done today, but again this came in 2016, so I'm just mentioning that. Let's move on to the next problem. So here is your next question. What they have done is they have given two curves here and they are asking you to find the and they are saying it will intersect. With that they are asking that what is the type of intersection, how it is intersecting. So the slope is the only way we can find out the relationship between these two. So let's find the slope of these two. And how do we find slope? By differentiation. So what happens here is, it is 3x square minus 3x into 2y y dash plus I will have y square, and that will be gone like that only. So what remains is equal to 2. So this 3 and 3, I can take it outside and as common, and I can put it on that side, so it is gone. So what is remaining is x square minus 2xy y dash minus y square is equal to 0. So what I can do now is take the things that side. So it will be y dash is equal to when it goes that side, it will be y square minus x square divided by, and y dash is here. When it is coming this side, it will be minus 2xy. So this is what I got as y dash here. So let's find the y dash there. So what is y dash here? So 3 is kept here, so x square and y dash, and I will have plus and 2x with y kept as it is, minus 3y square into y dash, and that will become 0. So again, this 3 and 3 is taken common out, pushed that side, and it will become 0. No problem there. So I will take this that side, I will bring this here. So x square y dash minus y square y dash is equal to minus 2xy. So what happens here is I will take y dash common out. Y dash common out, I have x square minus y square is equal to minus 2xy. So what is y dash is equal to minus 2xy divided by x square minus y square. Now observe this carefully. If I call this as m1 and if I call this as m2, what is happening when I do m1 plus m2? m1 into m2. So minus 2xy and minus 2xy gets cancelled. Here y square minus x square is there, here x square minus y square is there. To cancel it, I need to multiply by minus 1. So minus 1 I am getting. m1 into m2, when I multiply, I am getting it as minus 1. That means it is perpendicular to each other. It is at right angle to each other. So option B is your right answer. The last and final problem from 2016 is here, and I have a very good shortcut for this. Here they are asking the equation of the normal for a curve. What is that curve? The curve is y into 1 plus x whole square is equal to 2 minus x. And they have given a condition, it passes through x-axis, where the tangent crosses the x-axis. If the tangent is crossing x-axis, then the y value is 0 there. So if I put the y value 0, this whole thing will become 0, it will become 2 minus x. So x value will be directly 2. So I will get a point x comma y is equal to 2 comma 0. Which option satisfies this is the right option, because while we actually, if I continue this, I have to find the slope and I will do. But while doing the equation, the formula is y minus y naught is equal to minus 1 divided by m into x minus x naught, where I have to substitute this only. Where I have to substitute this value only here. Are you getting it? So you need to understand the same point should satisfy. I will take option A. 5x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. When I substitute y value 0 and x value 2, it will become 10 minus 10. So option A is right. Let's go to option B. Option B is x minus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. So you can see there y value will become 0 and x value, no, it will not come. So I'll try option C. So 5x plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. So this will become 0. 5 to the 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. It is not equal to 0. I will try option D. Option D is x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Neither here it will satisfy. So 2 comma 0 is satisfied by option A. So option A must be the equation of the normal for this curve. So you have seen that every year they are asking 3 questions, 4 questions or 5 questions on application of derivatives. Hope you have understood how to prepare for the Karnataka CET for this chapter. And this is your math magician signing off. Study well and have a good time. Thank you.